The King George Hotel is a luxury collection boutique hotel in the heart of Athens. The historic hotel dates back to the 1930s and overlooks the Acropolis from its penthouse suite, where JauntTV got a private cooking class on how to make stuffed zucchini flowers from Executive Chef Asterios Koustoudis. In a large pot on a medium heat, sauté 6 to 8 spring onions, a clove of garlic, 2 zucchini, a carrot, and herbs such as fennel and dill in a 1/4 cup of olive oil until slightly soft. Add a cup of bulgur to the mixture. Then some vegetable stock. Season with salt and pepper, chili flakes, and lemon zest, and stir until the ingredients are mixed together well. In a separate large clay pot, place the herb stalks and bay leaves and add some onion rings to create an herb bed. Fill half of the zucchini flowers with the mixture and fold the edges. Place the stuffed zucchini flowers on top of the herb bed. Season and pour hot vegetable stock and the olive oil. Cook covered in a 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes until the bulgur is ready. Uncover and cook for 5 more minutes, roasting the surface. Take it out of the oven and separate the liquids. For the egg lemon sauce, separate and whisk 2 egg yolks with a little water to make fluffy. Add a 1/2 cup of yogurt, then gradually add the 1/4 cup of lemon juice, salt and pepper. Next, pour the oven liquids into the egg and lemon sauce with fresh verbena. Once done, add the sauce to the clay pot and shake the liquid down and heat. Serve and garnish with some fresh herbs. Kalei orexi!